Well, I guess this is the first video. Heading to Happy Camp. Airlines downhill. It's like a jump line. I made it short. I started fixing them up. Starting at the top and working my way down. It's like 3:30 in the afternoon on a Sunday. I plan on just dropping off some tools, some packing stuff, and a flathead shovel, more than I had last time. Seeing what I can kind of get done today too, and kind of just introduce you guys to the area. This is Happy Camp Road going back. If you do come back here, not to the main parking lot, do mind your speed, the neighbors that do live here, because it doesn't seem like it's on a private road, but it's not. But they do have slow down signs. So I found this spot, just following it back to the end, because getting over to the hill is a lot less having to travel that way going this way. Oh, we're just gonna go past here. The place I like to park's right here. It's even got the Happy Camp sign, so it makes you know that you're not just in like someone's private spot. This is where I like to park at, kind of off the road. And then we got Happy Camp. And then I'll show you real quick where we're going. So there's the fire road. So we're gonna have to go up, all the way to the top. I'll show you what we're bringing. Bringing us a 10x10 packer and a flathead shovel. And those are gonna be fun to get over there. Maybe I'm just gonna tie them up. This will make it a lot easier getting over there. So, yeah, I'll see you in a minute. We'll get us over there. Well, we made it up here. Bringing the 10x10 plate and the square shovel. Top of Happy Camp, Moorpark. We got a little sunlight left. Probably gets dark about 4:30, 5 o'clock. It's like 3:30 per 3:40. Come up the fire road, which is usually pretty sandy, but it rained within like a month ago. So it is kind of packed down. There's a lot of horses around here, so that gets beat up pretty good. Come up this to the saddle post, and then this is the trail. So we're gonna cruise down to the first spot and see if there's anything we can pack down or finish on the berm, and then probably find a place to hide the tools. Oh shit. It's not good. It's so much weight with these things. Let's see. I'd like to work on this a little bit too, make it not as bumpy, but it's not really going into anything. So this is the first hit here. We already did work on this. Pretty much just squared everything off again. I mean, it's kind of dry now. Kind of waiting for it to rain again and have the time to get here in time to do all this shit that you guys to do. Underneath the bushes and everything, when you clear a little bit like I did the last time, there's still some good wet dirt in the holes, so we'll see what we could do. Worked on this. We dug out that hole, cleared all this brush away. Kind of made the landing here. Wasn't really much of a landing. as far as built up, but I built this up now to kind of divert the water away, what comes from up here, so that it doesn't re-rut this section as bad. It's kind of why I built up that landing a little bit more to kind of help the trail in the long run. This was so rutted through this. I wish I could have packed this down more too, but we were able to kind of square this off, widen this out. This berm was nothing. We fixed this. Maybe we'll do some more work here. I have a little tripod. Maybe I'll try some slow-mo. There's a lot of fire ants right here in this section last time. I'm gonna find a spot and ditch the bike and get set up here and see what we could do on this berm. Be right back. Here's our spot. Got our berm coming in. I'm gonna clean up some of this. I think maybe I will put you back over here. You can actually see what's going on. There we go. Set y'all up. Well, that's about it. We got a little done here. I'd like to curve it. This is about the right curve, and I got to take this high. There's a high bump right here. Kind of make it more of a wall. And then next time when it rains, I don't really want to trap a lot of water, but that'll leave it where now this is big enough. If there does get water in here, the berm will stay good high. It'll come through here. Probably make another berm here, and then we'll continue on. That's it for me today. I'm gonna head down and get out of here before it gets dark. I'm out. Catch you guys on the next episode. Rebuilding Happy Camp lines, airlines, jump line. Still at the top.